Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Hari. In previous video, I talked about the architecture and workflow of Git. In case if you missed that video, please do watch that video first so that you can get better understanding of what actually Git is and why it is so important. In this video, we are going to learn about the installation of Git on Windows. Now, let's get started. Open any of the web browser and type Git downloads. The first link is the official link where you would get the link for downloading Git based on your operating system. See here, you can see a Git for different operating systems such as for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. The current version of Git is 2.45.1. Since I am working on Windows, I would choose Windows supported installation. When you click it, .exe file gets automatically downloaded. By default, 64-bit is downloaded. If you need 32-bit, click on this link below. To check whether your system is 32-bit or 62-bit, go to your desktop, right-click on the computer and choose Properties. Here, you can find the 64-bit operating system which is being used for my PC. Here you can find the compatibility whether you need 32 or 64-bit. By the meantime, the Git has been downloaded. Just right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. It is enough that we need only default setting. So click on to Next and finally we could see Install. Just click on that. Now Git is being installed into your system. Let us wait until the installation gets completed. As you can see, the installation process takes place and finally it has been completed. Just untick everything and just click on finish. Now, just to check whether the Git installation has been completed properly or not, just type Git over here and you can see Git bash, Git GUI and Git 2.45.1. Just click on the Git bash. Now just type ls and press enter. Ls just displays the list of all directories. Now you just type pwd which actually gives you the current working directory. To check the Git version, you can type git ---- version which gives you the current version of Git. All Linux command and Git command can be performed on this Git bash window. This is how we can install Git on Windows. That is it for this video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and share the video to your friends. Thanks for watching.